We're up pretty early this morning. I had to go to the supermarket because I'm going out of town and I'm gonna be doing a picnic. So I just stopped at Starbucks to get some coffee and I'm just gonna head home. I'm not a hot coffee type of person out on road, but at home by myself I'll do a very good cup of coffee because I know what's in it and it tastes very good when I do it. It's pretty early, we're up early getting things done. So I just basically bought some crackers, cheese, fruits to make a charcuterie board or a mini charcuterie board, and I'm gonna pull out my picnic basket and all that jazz. I'm being a little fancy today. Actually, if I haven't said it, we're actually going out of town. Home, and this is the picnic basket that I'll be using. So I'm just gonna open this to see what I'm working with. I can't remember what exactly is in it because I bought this like from last year in 2021, so I'm not sure exactly what's in it, but it should have utensils and a picnic blanket, and of course you guys know that I already have a cooler bag. So I'm gonna get some ice and put all of the beverages that I'm taking in this, which is just gonna be like water, sparkling water. Oh, let me show you guys what I got. So I bought 2 bottles of water for the picnic, 2 bottles. I bought an ocean splash grape, some sparkling water. Leaving those in the freezer for now. So this is the picnic basket and let's open it. This is so cute, by the way. So there's just like, okay, so I think it's actually, hold on. Okay, perfect. So it has, okay, perfect. I don't have to take any of these stuff. It has plates in it, fork, spoon, knife, and it's like 2 sets. Perfect. I have a wine opener. Listen, there's a wine opener in this picnic basket. There's like a little what do you call this, like a lunch kit type of vibe. It's close to the cooler bag, and inside there, let's see what's in this box. Okay, some wine glasses. My picnic basket is elite, okay? And then of course I have my picnic blanket. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. Oh, let me show you what the inside looks like. So the inside looks like so, and there's like a part here so where you can put like your, once you're on location you can put your bottles here. This is the wine. Okay, and this is so nice because the bottom part, it can go on the sand and it won't get the sand on the cloth itself, if you see what I mean. So that's good. Just a little treat. Got this one, which is a sour cream and thing, and then of course Old Faithful, Miss Birdie. I'm gonna make some party sandwiches with this bread, and usually I don't buy bread, but today's an exception. For the charcuterie board I'm gonna use grape. I got some cheese, pepper jack because this is one of my favorite cheese. Got some mozzarella, chips, fruit, blueberries, some cheese, and this is also for the sandwich. Some cane for fruit, mint because I'll be making a nice fruit water, some jelly. A bit of this to put on the board, some nuts as well, corned beef, toothpick, and last but not least, I got me some lemons. I have this Polska sausage. This is already done, so
girls that don't know whack. So why you feel the streets is appealing to see. You won't get undercounted cause you're dead and free. You got a new horizon, it's ephemeral style. A melancholy town where we never smile. And all I wanna hear is the message beat. My dreams they gotta kissing cause I don't get sleep.
Hey guys, so I'm at the beach and I'm just having my fruit water and it's so good with the mint. Guys, you have to try this, the lemon, the mint and ice cold water. It's really good. I left my hair pin, so I'm not able to pin up my hair, so I can't swim. Plus it's really rough out today. Yeah. So I'm trying to actually get a photo, but I'm trying to get a photo, but they're all ugly. I'm just gonna give up. Hey, Mama. Nothing.
Oh, me, I don't not hear from you.
Are you now here, Pan?
I message you.
Oh, Pan, what's up? Yeah, it's not the best quality right now, but it was my first little beach vlog. I tried this a lot because you want to enjoy the beach, but you still want to vlog. It's not the easiest, but I'm happy I did, and I'm almost sure you guys aren't seeing me. But yeah, guys, I'm closing out today's video. I am heading out now to this little all-white get-together. Yeah, the picnic is over and I'm going on the road. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, babies, take care. Bye.